Lalela mshana, akusanganwa. Inhloso yethu sifuna ukuphakama. We must put up a fight ngenxa yokuthi sifuna ukuphakama. Lalela mshana, kuzomela uphakame. Akusanganwa la. Phakama mshana, a fight ngenxa yokuthi sifuna ukuphakama. Lalela mshana, kuzomela uphakame. Akusanganwa la. Phakama mshana.
Qala ukurapha ngisase-high school, ngaqala ukubhala ngisase-primary school. So like, my school days were hella cool. Like, wonke umjiphe kuthiwa uyarapha lethwakini inkume. So, angingabi #1 lelesisi ngephutha. Igama uKhawuza King, kodwa umama wathi uKhawulana. So Khawulana, ukhuluma izinto engingazazi ngami. Buza ngibafuna ukwazi ngami. I've been praying every day, I got dead on my knees. Ngicela uNkulunkulu ukuthi igama lami kaMphumelelo alibize ngiphuma amaphiko ngidize. I got life for this, I live and die for this. I've been on many radios and I'm talking charts. I've been on many radios and they told me that I'm going far. Ngendlela engirafa ngayo I am going far. Bathi Khawuza kanti awubophi ngami, namangazi babakwazi udaba. Bathi Khawuza kanti awubophi nami, namangazi babakwazi udaba. Unezinhlelo mami, unezinhlelo mami. Yeah, it's like when the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. Yeah, ngiperforma nabathula abakhulu. Ingoma zami ithola khona lana othola khona lezo zabathula abakhulu. Okusho ukuthi nangumculi emkhulu. Beyond the road to the riches, i-GPS iphethe uNkulunkulu. I am going far, i-GPS iphethe uNkulunkulu.